In this video, we're going to be finding the rate of change from a table of values. The altitude of an airplane is changing at a constant rate. The table shows the linear relationship between y, the altitude of the airplane in feet, and x, the time in minutes. Complete the statement that describes the rate of change of the altitude of the airplane with respect to time. When you see these words, rate of change, you could think of that as slope. And when we're looking for slope, we know we have the slope formula at our disposal, and that's m y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now this table has 3 rows, but we're only going to need 2. My first x, I'm going to label x1. My second x, I'm going to label x2. On the other side of the table, the y values, I'm going to label the first one y1 and the second one y2. Now I'm going to substitute the values I just labeled into my formula. I like to put my minus sign on the top and bottom before I even start substituting. That way I don't make any mistakes. So the first thing in my formula is y2. My y2 is 20,250. So that's going to go here. Next, I'm looking for y1. My y1 is 25,500. That goes after the minus sign. In the denominator, I'm first looking for x2. x2 is 3.25. So that goes in front of the minus sign. And lastly, x1 is 1.5. That goes behind the minus sign. If I simplify the numerator, it gives me negative 5,250. And when I simplify the denominator, it gives me 1.75. I'm going to now divide 1.75 into negative 5,250, and it gives me negative 3,000. So that means that my rate of change is 3,000, and the negative means that in this scenario, it is decreasing by a constant rate, not increasing. So in other words, as time continues, the altitude of the airplane should be decreasing. So in the first box, I'm going to put the word decreasing. Again, because of the negative, it's going down. The altitude is going down at a rate of 3,000 feet per minute. So that's how you find rate of change from a table. You just basically use your slope formula and then interpret the value that you get. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos.